Your question is, who appoints the Governor of Jammu and Kashmir? Your options are A. The Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, B. The Chief Justice of High Court of Jammu and Kashmir, C. The Prime Minister of India, or D. The President of India. Right answer is D. The President of India. Your question is, which one of the following is responsible for establishing the contingency fund of the state? Your options are A. The legislature of the state, B. Parliament, C. President, or D. None of the above. Right answer is A. The legislature of the state. Your question is, which one of the following writs examines the functioning of subordinate courts? Your options are A. Quo warranto, B. Mandamus, C. Certiorari, or D. Habeas corpus. Right answer is C. Certiorari. Your question is, Sarkaria Commission was set up to review. Your options are A. The relations between the President and the Prime Minister, B. The relations between the legislature and the executive, C. The relations between the executive and the judiciary, or D. The relations between the union and the states. Right answer is D. The relations between the union and the states. Your question is, which of the following are not necessarily the consequences of the proclamation of the President's rule in a state? 1. Dissolution of the State Legislative Assembly. 2. Removal of the Council of Ministers in the state. 3. Dissolution of the local bodies. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Your options are A. 1 and 2 only, B. 1 and 3 only, C. 2 and 3 only, or D. 1, 2 and 3. Right answer is B. 1 and 3 only. Dissolution of the State Legislative Assembly and dissolution of the local bodies. Your question is, who was the chairman of the 13th Finance Commission? Your options are A. Indira Rajaraman, B. C. Rangarajan, C. Vijay Kelkar, or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Vijay Kelkar. Your question is, the National Development Council NDC 1. Discusses the progress of the national plan. 2. Suggests the ways to achieve the goals of the national plan. 3. Gives guidelines to formulate the national plan. 4. Suggests allocation of money in planning. Considering the above statements, select the correct answer from the codes given below. Codes. Your options are A. 1, 2 and 3, B. 2, 3 and 4, C. 1, 2 and 4, or D. All of the above. Right answer is 1, 2 and 3. Discusses the progress of the national plan, suggests the ways to achieve the goals of the national plan, and gives guidelines to formulate the national plan. Your question is, in which year PC Hota Committee on Civil Services Reforms was constituted? Your options are A. 2003, B. 2004, C. 2005, or D. 2006. Right answer is B. 2004. Your question is, who among the following scholars described the party system prevailing in India in the early years of independence as one party dominant system? Your options are A. Myron Wiener, B. Rajini Kothari, C. Austin, or D. Bhiku Parekh. Right answer is B. Rajini Kothari. Your question is, National Voters Day celebrated on? Your options are A. 15th January, B. 25th January, C. 17th January, or D. 27th January. Right answer is B. 25th January.